Hey, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. This is Matt, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Now, in this video, I'm going to be going over Networkers List review. All right, so what this is, it's a platform where you could get multiple eyeballs to your business, all right? Not just Networkers List. So, but the good thing about this is, which I'll the Matrix, well, I'll get to in a minute. But this is only $20 a month just to get started. All right, and then the better news is you get a 75%. I'm sorry, $75. Um, 75% commission. All right, so you'll make $15 on everyone you refer per month. All right, now let me go to the promotional center right here. You can also promote this as well. All right, they'll give you a text link, excuse me, a couple of splash pages. All right, and also you get some swipe copies as well too. So once you build your list, you could send this to your list. All right, let's go over here. And you suggested sponsored programs. So any program you're a part of, you could add it here. So as you can see, I'm already a part of WebTalk down here. All right, and then they have stats board. You can take a look at your stats. All right, I'm already upgraded to pro, so I'm paying that $20 a month. But I already got someone in that they're paying me $15 a month. All right, and this is my sponsor down here. Now, if you go to the overview, they are coming out with a 2x2 force matrix. All right, so what that means pretty much is whoever you get in your upline or downline get in, you get the possibility of getting overspill or spillover, I mean, and then underspill as well too. So if your sponsor is a good recruiter, obviously he is because he got me in. So you'll get spillover, but if you recruit someone that's pretty good at recruiting, you'll get spill under as well. So um, pretty much after a while, depending on how many people are in the system at the time of this launch, you won't have to sponsor or recruit anyone. So no sponsoring or recruiting needed if you have trouble with that. That this will be taking care of it. It's just a minimum payment of $25 every 2 months. And then let me open up my other email here. Let's see. Open this up real quick. Looks like I got another opt-in. Let's see here from my networkers list. I got another opt-in, and let me see. Let me go to it here. Open up another email. Right. I was just gonna open up an email about the networkers list update, and here it is right here. All right, so they're gonna have a conference call at 8:30 Eastern time tonight, and it's about the 2x2 metrics website to be presented to you next Monday. So February 1st is not the deadline, but the earliest you could get in, which I do recommend you getting in. All right. Now, for those who choose to participate with the extra income plan on February 8th, you'll be able to use the 2x2 Matrix site to sign up people all around the world. So this is worldwide, and you'll be able to receive your networkers list income and networkers list unveiled by offering our copyrighted pending 2x2 $12 per month spillover matrix. This is prepaid for 2 months at only $25. All right. And there's another matrix. Let's see. This includes two new great matrix services, right? This excitement of the quick fill matrix. staggering income potential of this deep level payout, the unlimited possibilities of the matching bonuses as well too. All right. So this is a conference call tonight. Now, if you're interested, go ahead and click on the link below. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.